Okay, so this is an activity that you could do with a Year 5 or a Year 6 child, really thinking about BIDMAS, so the order that operations happen within longer calculations. So all you need is paper and pen. I've made myself some operation cards, so I've got multiplication, addition, division, brackets and subtraction. We're also going to use some dice. If you haven't got dice, you could just make some number cards, okay? So we are going to see if we can make calculations, and the winner of each round is going to be the person who makes the largest total. So, shall we just give them a shuffle? And we'll start off with 2 operation cards. So we've got division and we've got subtraction. So let's generate our 3 numbers.
Our 3 numbers are 1, 6 and 9.
1, 6 and 9. Okay, off you go. Done? Yeah. Okay, so I have done 9 subtract 6 divided by 1. So I think, if I think about BIDMAS, division first, 6 divided by 1 is 6. 9 subtract 6 equals 3.
So if we think about BIDMAS, we do the division first in my calculation. So I do 9 divided by 1 first, which is of course 9. And then you take away the 6, because that's next. That is 3. So my answer is 3, which means we draw the round.
So nobody wins that round. Okay. Let's go again with another 2 operations. So this time we've got addition and we've got brackets. So because we've got brackets, we need another operation. So we need to decide whether we put the division in the brackets or whether we put the addition in the brackets.
So generate our numbers. Our numbers are 11, 3 and 9.
Okay. Okay. What are we doing? We're doing brackets, aren't we? Okay, so
I've finished my calculation, so I will try and keep it secret from my opponent.
okay.
So my calculation is brackets 9 divided by 3, end of brackets, plus 11. So if you think about BIDMAS, brackets comes first, so we do 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And then you do the addition next, plus 11 equals 14, so my answer is 14.
Lovely, I did exactly the same, so we've got another draw. So you can change this game a little bit by adding some different operations. So you've also got, you could add in a squared number, you could put some fixed brackets in there, so you could be forced to divide or multiply, subtract or add. You could also increase the number of dice you use, so you make it a longer calculation. You could as well also, if you wanted to, start to generate some different numbers. So perhaps player 1 generates their own calculation, player 2 generates their own calculation, and then you have to compare to see who's got the largest number. Okay, enjoy.